Okay, let's students start. Standard 10th chapter number 3, image handling. Inside that we have to learn last topic, that is called we are going to display hotspot. Means when we click on the image, a particular link will be appear, but sometimes what happen, we have to give the link to the specific symbols also. So for that we have to draw the map. Okay, on page number 48 map is given of the city marketplace. Map is given there. So in this lecture I will explain you how to design that particular map. Okay, so click on the PowerPoint, any version, whatever version you have. Okay, just click on that PowerPoint version. Okay, it is appeared now. Now click on that. Very first we will take a blank layout from this. Now after this we are going to use the background color here. So we'll choose the particular background color whatever you like. For example, I want to fill a specific color like this kind of color. Okay, so it is appeared now. Now after this I have to draw a road. So for this I will take a shape and square and draw the shape like this. Okay, after this I will change the background color of the particular shape. Okay, I want to design like this. Okay, now I don't want outside line, so no outline. And second thing we have to use, that is ruler also we have to appear. Okay, and grid line, and if you want to grid, then it is also can be appeared. Okay, now then after we will arrange it like this. Okay, now we will make a duplicate copy of this and we'll rotate upside. Okay, now after this we will decrease the size of this same. Okay, now put it into the center. Okay, and if you want to increase it, then increase till here. Okay, we'll copy this till here also. Yes, little bit slower. Okay, this much we have done. After this we want to put different shapes here. Okay, so insert, go to the insert, click on the shape, and whatever shape you like, just select that particular shape. Okay, if you want to draw the circle, diamond shape, or anything shape, like 3D shapes also there like this. So click on that 3D shape and draw it like I want to draw here. So we'll draw it here like this. Okay, then whatever you want to type, right click it and click on the edit, and then if you want to type here office will be here. Okay, now press Ctrl D for the second top, then do here police station here. Now we will change background color, we'll keep no fill. Okay, and if we want to fill it, then we'll fill it by the no fill. Okay, now after that we will change the font color here it will be black, font color will be black, bold, and size little bit increased. Similarly we'll do it same, black color, bold, and little bit size will be increased. Okay, now for this we want to change the background color here. So go to the format, outline, and change the outline color like this, and also increase the outline width like this. Again you want to change it by the green, so it will be green here, and also use the this. Now what to do, we have to little bit downside it. Yes, this much only. Okay, so that we can put it upside both of them. Okay, so select them both and use the upside and put at proper place like this. Okay, got it. If you want to decrease it size and whatever you want to do, you can put it anywhere like this, put it. Okay, done. Now at the bottom side we want to put again something, so we'll go to the insert, shapes, and from the shape we will use the arrow key something. Okay, yeah, we will keep this arrow key here and we'll draw it like this. Okay, we'll fill background color, without background color we'll keep it, and font color will be the black. Okay, Now I will type it Central Mall. Okay, now change the color of use the increase the size like this. Okay, then after again we are going to draw the same, Control D and use this and put it here, right? Okay, now click here, fire brigade. Okay, some size should be increased. Okay, now we want to change the outline color, shape outline color to the blue, right? So it is blue now. For this we want to change outline color to the brown. Okay, and also increase the weight like this much. Okay, done. Now at the left side we want to put the circle, so select it and draw the circle here, right? Okay, drawn. Inside that we want to put any image of the temple, so right click on that. Okay, and put any image. Insert that we can directly insert the image also here. Go to the file and select any image as you want. So instead of the temple I will keep here something else, like I have downloaded here this one. Okay, so keep it and make it smaller in the size. I want to remove the background color, it right. Okay, so now you can see it is added also, but I want outline sides, so border should be red, so it will be red, but it is not appearing in that. Okay, right, but I don't want to appear the border of that particular thing, but I want to type something, so we'll keep here. To type it I will insert text box, draw the text box and type here temple or chocolate, and select it, Control B and increase the size. Okay, you can increase the size like this and put here. Okay, so this way we have done it. Now we have to draw the lines on the road map, so select it and go to the line and draw the line from here to at the end of this using the shift key. After that weight, increase some weight and change the color that black. Okay, similarly Control D will copy this, make a duplicate copy, put it here and decrease its size like this. Again make duplicate copy of this and put it here so that we can see the roadmap is proper, right? Now after that we have to type something inside that, so we'll keep the text box and click here, select it and draw the text box here. Okay, and type here like Sri Raj Road. Okay, then like this we want to put it. Okay, we'll click it, increase some size and change color, something like so that it can appear. Yes, this one. Okay, we'll keep it upside little bit. Right, then after we want to keep it again, Control D and put here and change the name. Okay, now we want to change its appearance, so we'll click it and we have option to rotate it. Yes, like this. So select it, decrease its size and put it in here upside like this. Okay, so this much it is very simple to draw the map in the PowerPoint. Now after this, what to do, we will keep it and go to the file and save as. We are going to save it as an image. Okay, how kind of image? JPG or PNG, both we can do. Okay, then click on the save, and just this one only. Let's see on the that folder. See, here it is there. Now right click on that and open, click on the edit, it will appear. Now see, now next, after this lecture we will skip how when we click on this in HTML, when we click on this, the office page will be open. When we click on this, police station page will be appear. Similarly, when you click on that particular file will be appear. So after this we will learn how to create a hyperlink in HTML. Till then, thank you and bye. I hope you student understood this, how to create the map. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to your friend. Okay, this is very simple to learn, so don't forget to share it. Okay, thank you and bye.